children.
Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Have you ever noticed that when someone near you yawns, you suddenly feel like yawning too? This unusual thing happens not only to us, but also to many animals, and it has fascinated scientists for a long time. Why is yawning so easy to catch from others? I invite everyone to discover this mystery together. At the illustration pier, I met Gorilla and Rhinoceros, who had their own strong ideas about this. Gorilla said that yawning is really a way to show off the size and strength of your jaws. He explained that when one male in a group yawns and shows his teeth, the others do the same to show their power too. Rhinoceros thought that yawning is a way to take in as much air as possible just before charging. He said that when one rhinoceros starts to yawn, it signals to the others that it is almost time to run, so everyone takes a deep breath to get more strength. I smiled at their ideas and explained that contagious yawning is not a contest of strength or a way to get ready for a fight. It is a much more subtle social mechanism, with a completely different and fascinating background. On the Discovery Meadow, I met Ibis and Crab. Ibis shared that he once watched his flock getting ready to sleep. He noticed that when one bird stretched and yawned, soon almost the whole group started doing the same, as if an invisible signal told them it was time to rest together. Crab added that he saw similar behavior in his colony. He explained that when the tide was coming, one crab would become alert and freeze, and soon all the nearby crabs, even those who did not see the danger, would also take up a defensive position. I summed up their stories by saying that in both cases, we see the group syncing their actions. Contagious yawning works in a similar way, helping everyone get ready to rest or be alert together. At the Knowledge Wreck, I met Little Elephant and Capuchin. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about contagious yawning. Little Elephant explained that it is connected to empathy and special cells in the brain called mirror neurons. He said that these cells become active when we watch someone else's behavior, making our brain do the same thing and encouraging us to copy it. Capuchin added that the closer we are to someone, the easier it is to catch a yawn from them, which shows that yawning is also a way to build social bonds. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that contagious yawning is a complex phenomenon caused by empathy, mirror neurons, and the need for group synchronization. Dear explorers, today we learned why yawning is so contagious. It is not just a sign of boredom or tiredness, but a fascinating social mechanism that shows how connected we are. It is proof of the power of empathy and the work of mirror neurons, which help us synchronize with others. I hope that next time you catch a yawn from someone, you will smile, thinking about this special connection. See you on our next adventure on the Island of Knowledge.